Hey YouTube, Samkisa787 here with another video. Today is a special day. I have to say I finally got my own computer. To this day, we see here the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. I'm gonna do an unboxing, my first unboxing of my first computer, so stay tuned. And let's roll it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go guys, the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. Let's open it up. I'm gonna need a knife. Wait. First. Let's open it here with a butter knife. Okay, I think we have another one here. There we go. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we just open the computer. Let's put this to the side. Okay, the packaging is pretty cool. Okay, so right off the bat, we have the computer. Like right off the bat, we have the computer. I don't know what's in here, but we'll check that out later. Let's see the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. This is the computer. The Samsung Notebook 9. Let's open it and see the beauty of the computer. Let's try back up a little. Let's take off let's try to convert it for the first time. This is a convertible computer. See, you can turn the computer into a tablet. You can tap on it, and the computer's colors are beautiful. Right? They're beautiful. So let's move the computer to the side right now. And let's check the ports, because this brings a pencil actually. An actual pencil for the computer. Okay, so this is the charger. Yes, this is the charger to recharge the computer. We have the charger here. Let's put that to the side. And let's check what's in here. So here we have, what's this? Is this a chip? Like warranty information. It's like a chip. But I don't see no pencil here. Which is weird. So I don't know. I don't see the pencil here. But whatever, this is the computer. And the sides. These are the sides of the computer, the ports. We have some ports here. And this is it. The Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and thank you for watching the new Notebook 9. This is my first computer, so I'm gonna be editing videos on this computer. So don't forget that we are the attempters. Bye YouTube! YouTube, my bad, yes. The apple, oh my god, the apple, oh my god. The pencil is down here. We have the pencil of Samsung right here. We can actually write on it, as you can see. See, okay, let's select English. Yes. See, you can use it as an actual pencil.
Hi there.